Welcome to Speed Society, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles. Here, we explore the machines that define speed, style, and innovation, and today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Fury. This bike has been a game-changer in the chopper segment since its debut, blending bold design with Honda's legendary reliability. The Fury has always been a head-turner, but the 2025 model takes things to a whole new level. So, what makes this year's Fury so special? Let's break it down. The legacy of Honda Fury. The Honda Fury first made waves in 2010, challenging the traditional chopper aesthetic with its sleek, modern design. Over the years, it has become a symbol of rebellion and freedom, offering riders a unique blend of custom-style looks and Honda's renowned engineering. The Fury has always stood out in the crowded cruiser market, and the 2025 model continues this legacy. It's a bike that pays homage to its roots while embracing the latest advancements in motorcycle technology. For over a decade, the Fury has been the go-to chopper for riders who want to stand out, and the 2025 version is no exception. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 Honda Fury is a visual masterpiece. Its long, low-slung profile, raked-out front end, and stretched fuel tank scream classic chopper, but with a modern twist. The bike's minimalist design is a key part of its appeal, with clean lines and a lack of unnecessary clutter. Every detail has been carefully considered, from the sculpted fenders to the custom-style wheels. The paint options for 2025 are bold and vibrant, with metallic finishes that catch the light and turn heads at every corner. Honda has also introduced new graphic options, allowing riders to personalize their Fury even further. This is a bike that looks like it rolled straight out of a custom shop, yet it's backed by Honda's reputation for quality and reliability. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Fury lies a 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering a perfect balance of power and refinement. This engine is tuned for torque, providing that low-end grunt that chopper enthusiasts crave. With a smooth power delivery and a throaty exhaust note, the Fury offers a riding experience that's both exhilarating and approachable. The engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission that shifts smoothly, ensuring a seamless ride whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. Honda has also improved the fuel efficiency of the 2025 model, making it a more practical choice for long-distance rides. Technology and features. While the Fury's design may be retro-inspired, its technology is anything but. The 2025 model comes equipped with a full-color TFT display, providing all the essential information at a glance. Ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, and traction control are now standard, enhancing both safety and performance. LED lighting throughout the bike not only improves visibility but also adds a modern touch to its classic design. Honda has also included smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation, music, and calls seamlessly. The 2025 Fury even features a USB charging port, ensuring your devices stay powered on the go. These tech upgrades make the Fury a truly modern motorcycle without sacrificing its classic appeal. Handling and comfort. Despite its chopper stance, the 2025 Fury handles surprisingly well. The low center of gravity and well-balanced chassis make it easy to maneuver even at low speeds. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and imperfections in the road without compromising stability. The seat is plush and supportive, making long rides a pleasure rather than a chore. Honda has also made adjustments to the handlebar and foot peg positioning, ensuring a more ergonomic riding position. Riding experience. Riding the 2025 Honda Fury is an experience like no other. The combination of its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and head-turning design creates a sense of freedom and individuality. The bike feels alive beneath you, responding to every input with precision and confidence. The throaty exhaust note adds to the excitement, making every ride feel like an event. Whether you're carving through twisty backroads or cruising along the coast, the Fury delivers a ride that's both thrilling and relaxing. Upgrades. For 2025, Honda has introduced several upgrades to the Fury. The most notable is the addition of a quick shifter, making gear changes smoother and more intuitive. The suspension has been refined for better handling, and the brakes now feature improved stopping power. The exhaust system has been redesigned to enhance both performance and sound, giving the Fury an even more aggressive growl. Honda has also introduced new accessory options, including saddlebags, windshields, and custom seats, allowing riders to personalize their Fury to suit their needs. Who is this for? The 2025 Honda Fury is for riders who want to stand out from the crowd. It's for those who appreciate the chopper aesthetic but demand modern performance and reliability. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a stylish cruiser or a newcomer drawn to its iconic design, the Fury offers something for everyone. It's a bike that appeals to the rebel in all of us, offering a unique blend of style, power, and practicality. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda Fury is priced competitively, starting at $15,999 for the base model. Premium paint options and accessories will push the price higher, but the value is undeniable given the bike's features and performance. Availability may vary by region, so be sure to check with your local Honda dealer for details. Financing options and special promotions may also be available, making it easier than ever to own this iconic machine. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Fury is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It's a bike that combines the best of both worlds, classic chopper style and modern technology, into a package that's as fun to ride as it is to look at. With its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and head-turning design, the Fury continues to set the standard for the chopper segment. Honda has taken everything that made the Fury great and made it even better for 2025, ensuring that it remains a top choice for riders who want to stand out from the crowd. If you're looking for a bike that embodies freedom, individuality, and pure riding pleasure, the 2025 Honda Fury should be at the top of your list. It's a machine that's as much about the journey as it is about the destination, and one that will make every ride an unforgettable experience. Thanks for joining us here at Speed Society. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the bikes that define our passion for two wheels. Until next time, keep the throttle twisted and the rubber side down.